Hi, this is PapaG, and welcome to Papa Can Cook. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a retired aerospace engineer. I am a part-time professor of finance and economics at our local university, and I'm a major-time cook. My wife, Marion, of 47 years, and I have 4 children who are grown, 3 daughters and a son. 3 of them have absolutely amazing spouses who have blessed us with 4 tremendous grandchildren, with 2 more on the way. So you might ask, how did I get started cooking? Well, this started back in 2012 when I took an early retirement. I spent my free time bread baking, and I tried to perfect as many bread recipes as I could, including a Greek olive ciabatta that I absolutely loved. It was light and airy with a crispy and chewy crust. It was fantastic. But then I found out a few years later that one of my daughters was diagnosed with celiac disease. I had to change the way I was doing things. I had to develop recipes that were gluten-free, which certainly put a crimp into my bread baking. A couple of years ago, we decided to do a major kitchen renovation. I took that opportunity to get rid of any gluten-containing products or ingredients in the kitchen and to toss any of the implements that I had that could cause cross-contamination, and I started from nil. So now I can cook in this kitchen without any fear of contaminating what I'm cooking with gluten, and it's safe for my daughter, her family, and of course the rest of the family. Now I have no formal culinary training. I just read a lot, and I watch a lot of videos of my favorite chefs like Julia Child, Jacques Pepin, Lydia, Rachel Ray, and others. I'm the ultimate home cook, so if Papa can do it, so can you. So why don't you join me on a journey to gastronomical delights? As Julia Childs would say, bon appetit!